Alright, picking back up. I have already clearance. Ouch, ouch, ouch. There must have been a piece of metal right there. That hurt. I felt like I got a splinter of metal in my finger there for a second. Anyways. I've got the crank polished, I got the crank mic'd, I got all my clearances right here. My next step, I got the block in the machine. It's been boring for a little while. I got 2 of the cylinders bored already. I'm probably gonna size the rods. What time is it? 4:48? See, I got time. I'm gonna try to size the rods up. That's where I'm at right now. So I'm gonna get back to work. Just polishing the crank up over here. It's looking pretty decent. I mean, it's not the best I've ever seen, but it's usable. I would not say it's not. I'm going to mic it to make sure that the bearings I ordered, because I mean, roughly it's just like, yeah, standard. But I didn't know if anything needed to happen to it. But it doesn't look like I need to turn it or anything along those lines. So I'm gonna mic it up and make sure everything's good and be done with the crank. Probably wash it one more time, get all the crap where I just polished it up off of it. Other than that, yeah, sorry about the noise in the background. I have found it is way cheaper to use one of those than use my heating and AC unit in the shop, because like during the summer I just don't run the AC. I use a big old fan, and now I'm using this thing and I'm kind of stuck. Like I put $15 worth of diesel in that thing. That would have been the Monday before last, so I'm on a week and a half on $15. yeah, I think I'm gonna stick to this thing. Alright, a little bit later I'll get back on here and give you some more information while I'm doing. Quite literally, as soon as I got done talking about this thing and putting $15 in it from last week, it died immediately as soon as I stopped recording. Anyways, I'm gonna get some more diesel fuel so I can keep the heat going. Because usually I only run it about an hour or so, and it gets it up to about 70 degrees in here, which is entirely too hot. But then it takes a good amount of the day to get back down. Like today it's like 30-some degrees outside, and I literally have the door open so it can vent that thing, and it's warm in here already. But anyways, I'm gonna get that diesel fuel. Talk to you guys in a little bit. Alright, end of the day. Let's recap what we did today. What did we do? Got the block. It's almost done. Boring over there, so that's good. I got a couple things bead blasted. They're going to be ready to come up here. Crank, I've got it over there. It's polished. I've mic'd it. Everything's good to go with that. I just need to get the block out so I can check the mains, make sure they're clearance. I got everything set up over here. I'm probably going to start doing the clearancing of the rods here soon. Get the pistons hung on the rods, and then we'll be assembling the bad boy and get it out. Well, I don't know the heads. We got the heads. I gotta machine the heads. Haven't done that yet. So that's where I'm at right now. I'm gonna get off of here for today, get this thing finished up, go check on it at least, because I've been sitting here talking to you instead of looking at what it's doing. Alright, I'm gonna get to that, and I'll talk to you guys later. Another vlog has come to an end, which means it's time to smash this like button right here. Click on the share button over here. Share this vlog with anybody you think might find it interesting. Comment down below. Let me know what you thought about the vlog. If you haven't yet, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Ring the bell. That way there you'll get the notifications, and we will talk with you later. Whoosh!